Let's solve the following problem. And this actually comes from a word problem. And I'll read the word problem, although I'm not going to write it out. It says the number of grams of a radioactive substance that is present in an old piece of cloth after T years is given by the formula A is equal to 10 times E raised to the negative 0.0001 T, where E is the irrational number and T stands for time in years. And the question is, if the cloth only contains now 4 grams of substance, then when was the cloth made? So we're going to substitute in 4. That's how many grams are left. And it started at 10, and it goes down because we've got a negative exponent. And so this negative exponent here is going to have the action of making this a fraction, which is going to, when it multiplies by that, is going to reduce the final amount. So it's radioactive substance, and then the item gets less and less and less. So to be able to solve this equation, I need to divide both sides by 10 first. So on the left I have 4/10. We're going to change to decimals now. And on the right I still have negative E raised to the negative 0.0001 times T for time. And the strategy we're going to take here is we're going to take the natural log of both sides. So if I take the natural log of 0.4 and I take the natural log of E to the negative 0.0001 T, then I can use the log property that says this exponent right here can be pulled down and become a multiplier times the log E. So I do that because I'm trying to solve for T. So on the left hand side I just have natural log of 0.4. On the right hand side I now have 0.0001 T times the natural log of E. The natural log of E is just the number 1. So I'll cross it off and just write 1 to remind myself that's what it is. I'm trying to solve for T, so I'm going to divide both sides by the coefficient on T. And what I have is that T is equal to the natural log of 0.4 divided by negative 0.0001. However, this is now a calculator issue. And the reason I can use a calculator on this one is that it's a word problem. So the word problem, you want to answer the question as best you can. So I put it in my calculator and I use the squiggle to show it's an approximation because this was a decimal that did not terminate. And it was about 9,163 years. So the original question again was how much of a radioactive substance did the cloth contain? No, I'm sorry, not how much. It was if the cloth has only 4 grams of the substance, then when was the cloth made? So we were solving for T, which is time.